Coming up in this video, viewers and subscribers, more Marlin in Cedar Valley, St. Thomas, Duck Road, more road are preparing of viewers. And while doing all this hard work, you have to put food in a structure. So these and more coming up in this video. So stay tuned.
Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So what? I want to know what they do, So what? Just do the do now. Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video, so please watch out for me. Viewers, manners and thanks are doing. So listen what I want now. Cedar Valley, St. Thomas, Duck Road to be exact. That's where we are. Viewers and subscribers, more Marlin. So you know, say a road them a prepare again, viewers. At any moment now, you know, say them road they can start island. From them start island sun, you know what the next thing is all about. What asphalt are laid down on it, viewers. So we see a non-stop, them a non-stop at Trinity,ville, them a head to viewers, and look out for the video, viewers. We are going to show which part and which part asphalt already in Cedar Valley. Look out for that video short after this one. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, a more Marlin as you all can see, and what we say with the Duck Road, Cedar Valley, St. Thomas, viewers and subscribers. The development of St. Thomas continue, as you all can see. So continue watch your video. Much more for you to see. Hope you like up this video. Do not afraid to leave a comment, speak your mind there, get active there. You get what I say, viewers? Manners and respect, man. Continue in the video. So in this video, viewers and subscribers, we all gonna show now how far the Marlin go. You see me I say, yeah, we show the length of the road, the amount of road a mile. So this amount of road you see them a mile now, I eat them a plan for island, do all the thing and asphalt later on to come. You get what me I say, viewers? So just continue watch the video and you see length, because me I tell you as straight to Trinityville, I'm head to viewers. Yeah man, a non-stop to Trinityville. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers, family sub. So we say everybody up, just press the thumbs up and show me someone up, Yeah, just continue watch the video. I see the amount of road of the mall already, so you know more Marlin, more sunning, more island, more swelling also. Bless up.
Take the money.
Yes, yes, me general. Big up yourself, you know. You're the general, you know. Feed your faces, man. Hard working, man. Deserve to be fed. Later. Oh. Yeah, where you get them furniture from? Where you get them furniture from? Well then, Corey Cat. Bommy. So now viewers, as we shown, the code is already mal, as you all can see. So sooner or later, as me say, press some part of it already. You get what I say, and him still will go over it again. So sooner or later the presser man will take it again and get it final press. As soon as it final press, then you know what time it is. Yeah man, a time for them highlight and sand it. Then the next thing you know, asphalt upon it again, viewers. So you see what I go on a CEDAR Valley Center as viewers and subscribers, as I say, non-stop heading to Trinityville. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah man, so we are going to show you the end of the mall, which part the Marlin stop. Okay viewers, so continue watch the video, So now that we come to the end of another video, viewers and subscribers. Big up to all my new subscribers, and if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much for doing so, welcome to the family. If you did leave a like, thank you very much, man. Bless up to the item. If you leave a comment, yes, that's where if you get active in the comment section. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man. So if you share up my video, yeah, man, more respect and blessing upon the eye, man. So we say now that to come to the end of another video, So we say see you people in the next video, Safe travel upon the gravel, As you all can see, we are going to show where the Marlin stop, viewers and subscribers. You get what I say? Yes. So as you can see, right here, so that's where the Marlin stop, viewers. Right here, so as you all can see, the Marlin stop right here, so. Okay, viewers and subscribers, family sub. So we say bless up to each and every one again, Okay? Safe travel upon the gravel, See you people in the next video, I'm out.